If you're a subscriber to this channel, then you already know when is the time for maximum financial profitability in crypto. It's right now. And for those of you who watched that video, you knew that I was teasing on what it looks like when a bull run starts kicking off. And for those of you who have been dollar cost averaging, slowly, responsibly, in a stress-free way, accumulating your position in your choice cryptocurrency, hopefully Bitcoin at least is one of those. Bull runs are when you can start taking profit, not when you can start feeling finally assured to finally purchase when the price is already trending upwards. You can actually be already in a profitable position. Today, I'm going to give you 4 indications to look for that show that we are indeed in a bull market. When that does happen, it's not happening yet. In addition, I'm going to tell you why we will be entering into that bull market. So make sure you watch until the end. For those of you who want to know when we are taking profit, how we are dealing with a bull market, the people in the CT Club, there's thousands of you now. You're going to know exactly when we do that and why. If you want to have access to that information, go ahead and check out a link to the CT Club down below in the video description. So of course, the most obvious sign when we are in a bull run is a strong, sustained increase in price over time. Now, bull markets typically in cryptocurrencies aren't so obvious towards the start. They are blindingly obvious at the end when we have those hockey stick moments where you just can't believe the numbers that you're seeing. But identifying a bull market at the start isn't as blatantly obvious unless you've been paying attention. So with that, I mean strong prices moving upward consistently, seeing higher highs and higher lows within a range that are trending upwards for an extended period of time. The second indicator for realizing that we're in a bull market is an increase in trading volume. More people are buying and selling, more people are investing, and if you know why prices are trending upwards, it's because more people are buying than they are selling. This increase in new buyers, it's indicating new people entering the market, new investors entering the market. This could come in the form of institutional investors or retail investors. Typically, retail investors are late to the game because they might not be as financially literate or recognizing the signs or just waiting for all of the confirmations so that they can buy right there at the end of the bull market. It is a classic tale of newcomers to cryptocurrency. Along with that, number 3 indicator is positive news and sentiment. It seems like everything is coming up rosy for cryptocurrency. There's new adoption, there's new institutional involvement, more favorable regulatory clarity coming. There's celebrities endorsing cryptocurrencies. Basically, it seems like crypto is everywhere, it's here to stay, and there's nowhere to go but up. Then you know you're in a bull market, and if you're not in profit yet, maybe you didn't enter as soon as you would have liked to. If you have been dollar cost averaging during these accumulation phases that we are in now, that's when you should definitely consider taking some profit off the table and enjoying the fruits of your labor. The 4th indicator that we will be in a bull market are breakouts and technical indicators. Very common tools used to measure prices, and within the trend that we're in are things like moving day averages and RSI, which is the relative strength index. Basically, when you're in a bull market, you're going to see the price move outward and break out past these like set ranges for these measurements for tracking the price of Bitcoin. So that's a really helpful tool as well, just to have another confirmation that, yeah, we're in a bull market. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is why we will enter into a bull market. I teased this in the last video. I was talking about the accumulation phase, when in an accumulation phase, doesn't matter how good the news is, it doesn't do much to budge the price. Whereas what will move it into a bull market is what I kind of referenced earlier with the increase in trading volume. When you have an increase in investors in cryptocurrency, again, institutional investors, we're seeing BlackRock, Fidelity, and now the newest ETF application for spot Bitcoin from Franklin Templeton, another, what, trillion plus dollar.
1.5 trillion.
Thank you, Toby. 1.5 trillion under management from them. They're all chomping at the bit to get access to a Bitcoin spot ETF. That is huge for directly on-chain activity for Bitcoin and for investors in cryptocurrencies in general. That's a huge influx in new traders. Also, retail, like I said before, They're usually late to the game, and they are always the ones who are providing excellent liquidity for those who are smart traders accumulating during the appropriate time. Entering too late into cryptocurrency during the top of the bull market is a classic mistake that newcomers make. What are other mistakes that you should be avoiding if you are new to crypto? Please stay tuned, hit like and subscribe, because that video is coming out soon in the future and I don't think you should miss it. I'll see you then. Bye guys.